Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Here's a recipe for making a delicious fish fry. I will be using the special marinade for making this recipe, and this can be served as a side dish for rice or bread or any food of your choice. It's super easy to make and just needs the basic ingredients. So let's get to the recipe. Fish is always a great choice for many of us. All different cuisines offers different varieties of fish recipes. You can take any type of fish for this recipe, though I have taken a fillet of salmon. First, clean the fish and then cut them to the desired size. Now for the marinade, into a bowl I am taking crushed garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, red chili powder or paprika, some ground pepper, and coriander powder. Let's add salt as required. Also, add some cooking oil of your choice. I also squeeze in some fresh lime to enhance the flavor. Now let's mix all the ingredients with a spatula. And combine well to make a perfect marinade. And the best part is, you can make this marinade and store it in the refrigerator for about a week and use directly on busy days if you have fish at hand. So now let's marinate the fish. I'm taking the cut portions of salmon fillet and placing it directly into the marination bowl. Then apply a generous amount of the marinade on both sides of the fish fillet. This is an easy and quick to make fish fry recipe if you wish to surprise your guest or if you want to please your family. And for me, this is always the go-to recipe for a quick fish fry. And fortunately, this is an amazing blend for any variety of fish. If you need to take a printout of this recipe, you can visit our website. And I give the link to that in the description. Once the fish fillet is coated well with the marinade, it's good to keep to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. But if you are in a hurry, just move on to heat a pan at medium. Then I'm adding some butter. You may also use the same cooking oil used in the marinade. Let's grease the pan with the melting butter and then immediately place in the marinated fish. Keep the flame at medium to low for an even cooking. Cook on one side for 3 to 4 minutes. But check the time if you tend to use any other type of fish, as many of the fish has different cooking time. When one side is done, flip to the other side and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. And once the fish is perfectly done, it's good to give some resting time for the flavors to work well. And next, wait for what? Serve it along with bread, rice, or any flatbreads of your choice. share with your family and friends, and enjoy. I hope you will try this recipe for fish fry very soon. Thank you for being with us and would love to see you in our next video.